Can I open it for him?
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Okay, this is for Edwin.
Open it.
From Isabella and Annabella.
No, it's from my mom.
Oh, from your mom. Okay, okay.
Ooh.
Oh, what is this?
Create like stuff you can take it over. Puzzle.
Oh, okay.
That's crayons.
It's a crayon.
Give the paper to me. That's a good grip.
Do you like it? Oh, he likes it. Let me open this for him.
Okay. This is
Can I help you?
Edwin Christmas present.
Can I hold this for the Edwin?
Okay.
Let's see how he likes this one. Okay. Oh, got it. Edwin! It's a puzzle, Edwin! Can I help you? Hello?
Okay, ta sao lại mẹ?